Hi everyone, it's me again, Nisa. Assalamualaikum and welcome to another episode of Pop Talk Studio. Pop Talk on air, not music hits but topic hits. So today we are going to talk about something a lot of people have heard about but sometimes find it confusing, which is the types of distribution channels in Takaful. Don't worry, we will keep it simple and we have three special guests with us today. And each of them will share about their channels and how it works and why it is so important. Later, we will also show some shorts. Basically, there are two types of distribution channels, which are direct and indirect. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started by meeting our guests. We will start with the agency distribution channel. A key part of the indirect channel, what exactly is the agency distribution channel?
Hi, so in the simple term, agency distribution channel is the traditional method where trained Takaful agent represent the company and help customer understand the products. Even though we live in digital era, the agency channel remain the backbone of Takaful in Malaysia because many people still prefer speaking to a real person when it's come to finance.
Oh, now who are these agents?
There's not just random individuals selling insurance. Takaful agent is a licensed professional. Before they can even start offering Takaful plan, they have to pass an exam like the Takaful basic examination. And after that, they go through continuous training on product knowledge, Sharia principle, sales technique, and customer service. So every time you talk to an agent, you are actually talking to someone who has been prepared to guide you properly. Now, let's talk about the role of this agent. Agents are involved from the very beginning. They start by finding potential customer and understanding their need. For example, does the customer need a medical card, income protection, a long-term saving plan, education planning for children? From there, the agent explains the details of each product. What's covered, what's not, how much the contribution is, and what's the benefit the customer can expect. One of the biggest strengths of the agency channel is the personalized consultation. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. An agent sits down with you, listen to your financial goals, your income level, your risk tolerance, and even your family responsibilities. Then, the agent suggests a plan that truly fits your situation. Another important role of agent is handling the application process. They guide customer through filling up proposal form, submit document, and navigate underwriting requirement. If the Takaful operator need medical checkup or extra information, the agent is there to follow up and keep the process smooth. And of course, the support doesn't stop after the plan is approved. Agent provide after sales service from policy update and contribution payment to claim assistance. When unexpected event happen, more customer prefer having someone they can call directly rather than dealing with automated system. There are also different level of agent. We have part-time agent who usually do Takaful alongside their study or full-time job. We have full-time agent who make this their main career. And then we have agency leader or unit manager where they are the mentor who guide, train and manage a whole team of agent. They help maintain performance, ensure ethical practice and grow the agency.
Okay, so why is this channel so important to Takaful industry?
Because Takaful is not just about selling a product, it's about trust, guidance, and long-term financial financial protection. And then many Malaysians still rely heavily on personalized explanation because some concepts like risk sharing or medical coverage can be complicated.
So, I was curious, is there any challenges? Of course, being an agent comes with challenges. Income is commission-based, so performance matters. The industry is competitive and agents must constantly update their knowledge. But despite this challenge, many customers still appreciate agents because they offer something digital system that cannot a personal relationship. Okay, after we discussed the role of agents earlier, now we want to move on to the next channel, which is Banker Takaful. As we know, Banker Takaful is a collaboration between Takaful companies and the banks. where the banks will have the market Takaful products to their customers. Let's see how it works. So, what exactly is Banker Takaful?
Hi everyone, so Banker Takaful is a distribution channel for a Takaful product through banks. So this means bank work together with the Takaful company to offer Takaful plan to their customer. But don't get confused. The bank doesn't create the product. The bank acts as a middleman between the customer and the Takaful provider. Here's a simple example. Imagine you go to the bank to open a child education saving account. While you're there, the bank can offer a child education Takaful plan through a Takaful company. The best part, all transactions including application and payment can be done directly at the bank. Convenient, right?
Now, why is Banker Takaful important?
First, wide reach. Bank have many branch and customer, so more people can access Takaful product. Second, convenient for customer. Imagine managing your saving loan and Takaful protection all in the one place. A true one-stop service. The third one, benefit for Takaful company. By partnering with bank, Takaful company don't need to open many offices. Bank helps sales and promote their product. And the fourth, cost efficiency. It reduces marketing and distribution costs compared to the opening multiple agent offices.
So how does the Banker Takaful actually work?
There are three main ways. The first one is through the bank staff. Bank staff are trained to explain and sell Takaful product. For example, they can explain a family Takaful plan at the counter or over the phone. The second one is bank act as an agent or referral. Bank collect potential customer leads and the Takaful company manage the contract and claim. For instance, the bank send interested customer data to Takaful company, which then contact the customer to apply. Okay, so the third one is a digital bank channel. Takaful product can be promoted through the bank's online portal or mobile app. Customer can purchase, pay and receive a digital certificate directly through the app. For example, medical or travel Takaful can be purchased instantly via mobile banking. And most importantly, all of these regulated by the Bank Negara Malaysia. They ensure that the Takaful sales through bank are fair, transparent and Sharia compliant. Customer must receive full information about the product, cost and the commission. Bank staff involved must also be properly trained and certified. All of these ensure customers are safe and confident in the Takaful product they choose. That's a brief overview of Banker Takaful. I hope this helped you understand how bank and Takaful provider work together to make a financial protection easier for us.
Alright everyone, now that we have covered the Banker Takaful distribution channel, let's move on to another important type, which the Takaful broker. To help us understand more better about this channel, we have our next guest here with us. So let's start with the basic. What exactly is a Takaful broker?
A Takaful broker is an independent professional or company licensed to distribute products from a multiple Takaful operator. Unlike the agent who work for a single company, broker act in the best interest of the customer. They give unbiased advice by comparing different plans and companies. Essentially, their main job is to help you to find the best, to find you the most suitable Takaful plan based on your needs, budget, and long-term goals. Now, let's talk about the brokers actually do. First, they provide the expert advice. Brokers look at your financial situation, your health, your family responsibility, and even your risk exposure. They will explain the different type of Takaful plan, like family Takaful, health Takaful, or investment linked to the Takaful. Then, they compare multiple plans, highlighting the benefit, limitation, and premium and exclusion. In short, they help you pick the plan that fit your unique situation. Second, brokers are there to guide you through the claims. They explain the claim process step by step, including what the document you need and what the deadline you have to meet. They will even assist in your claim and communicate with the Takaful company on your behalf. This can really reduce your stress, especially during your critical like illness and accidents.
Sounds really helpful. Can you break down how the whole process step by step?
Step 1 is consultation. You need to meet the broker, whether in person, online, or over the phone, and explain what kind of protection you are looking for. Step 2 is a need assessment. The broker collect important info like your age, health, family, responsibility, and financial capacity. Step 3 is comparison. The broker evaluate plan from the multiple operator, comparing benefit contribution rates, coverage limit, and exclusion. Step 4 is recommendation. The broker present a few options and explain the pros and cons of each. Step 5 is application assistance. The broker will help you to fill out the form, submit the document, and register the plan. And the last one is step 6, which is ongoing support. The broker can help you to find if you need to make a claim, update your coverage, and adjust your contribution over the time.
Let's bring this to life with an example. Which one should I choose?
Hi, have a seat. Can you tell me what is your priority are? Is it family, health, or investment?
I want protection for myself and my 2 children in case of accident or illness. But as you can see, my budget is limited. So sad.
Okay, as you can see here, we have 3 plans, which is plan A, B, and C. Okay, so for plan A, only critical illness coverage, but with high contribution. And we have plan B, which is moderate coverage, includes her children and affordable. And the last one, we have plan C, which is investment linked plan, riskier with long-term benefit. So, I think I can give you a plan B is the best option. I can help you if you want to apply this and explain how contribution and the claim works.
Okay. I guess I will agree with you because it's with me. Alright guys, that was our short skit on the podcast. So now, if anyone watching this show wants to share their thoughts about the indirect channel of Takaful distribution, our line is always open for you guys. You can reach us at 0312345678. Hi there. Who is on the line?
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Fadila from Selangor and I am interested to share my opinion about direct channel in Takaful, which is through digital
platforms. Nowadays, customers prefer to deal directly with the company using apps or online portals. So, this shows that digital platforms have really become an important direct channel for Takaful.
Wow, that is great, Fadila. So what exactly is a digital platform in Takaful?
In simple terms, it is an online system, either a website or a mobile app, where customers can learn about Takaful products, buy plans, make payments, and even submit claims. No need to visit an office or wait for an agent to meet you in person. Everything can be done with just a few clicks.
Sounds really convenient. Can you tell us some key features of these platforms?
First, there is an online proposal submission. Customers can fill out forms digitally without printing anything. And next, e-payment options allow you to pay your contributions safely using cards, online banking, or e-wallets. Some platforms also provide calculators and product guides to help you choose the right plan. And the best part, many platforms let you track claims in real time and even have live chat support for quick questions.
Wow,
That sounds really user-friendly. Why do you think digital platforms are becoming too popular?
Well, convenience is the main reason. You can access Takaful products anytime, anywhere, whether you are at home, at work, or even on the go. It is also faster. Application payment and claims can all be done online, saving time for both customer and the company. Plus, it appeals to younger and customers who prefer handling financial matters digitally. It is cost-effective too. Fewer physical offices or agents are needed, which help reduce expenses for the company. But, of course, there are some challenges. Some people may feel lost without face-to-face guidance, especially for complex Takaful plans. Digital literacy is also required. Not everyone is comfortable using apps or websites. And, of course, some customers may worry about online security or sharing personal financial details online. Examples of digital platforms include company websites, mobile apps, social media channels like WhatsApp or Instagram, and even comparison websites where you can check multiple plans before choosing one. It is amazing how technology is transforming the way Takaful reaches people. And that's a quick look at digital platforms in Takaful. From convenience to speed and accessibility, they are changing the way we protect ourselves and our families. I will show you a real example of Takaful digital platforms. I'm using the official Etika website to demonstrate how customers can use online tools and information without needing to visit an office. Let's get started. First, search Etika Customer Portal and find the official website. This is the official homepage of the Etika Malaysia website. It functions as a digital platform where customers can explore insurance and Takaful products, get information, and perform certain tasks online. From the homepage, users can browse the products and services offered by the Etika. Everything here is organized so customers can find what they need without physically going to a branch. When we open the menu, we can see the categories such as products, claims, services, and help and support. This shows how digital platforms help users find services easily. So, at the product part, we can see the products that are offered by Etika. To summarize, this digital platform allows customers to explore Takaful products, monitor investment fund and performance, find claims and support information, contact agents, and access services anytime without going to a branch. This shows how digital platforms are central to modern Takaful services. By providing information and tools online, companies like Etika make it easier for customers to manage their Takaful plans from anywhere at any time.
Thank you, Ms. Fadila, for sharing that. That is right. Direct channels through digital platforms are becoming increasingly important nowadays. Customers like it because they can do everything on themselves, like from checking the plans, making quotations, to applying for Takaful, and without having to see an agent. This actually helps the companies offer a faster and easier ways to the process for everyone. And that brings to the end of this episode. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy our pop talk sessions. We will be back with more fun discussion and meaningful insights. This is Pop Talk on Air, not music hits but topic hits. Stay tuned for more.
One is the loneliest number that you